Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double pesh from za to fa. That means from za dui pesh zun to fa dui pesh fun. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 11 and is W number 11. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Tanween with double pesh from za to fa. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 10 Arabic alphabets or letter from za to fa. Now we will give Tanween, that means double pesh, in every letters or alphabet. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, you know that this one is za. Now I am giving double pesh over the za, and then now you have to pronounce this one za dui pesh zun, za dui pesh zun. Then this one is sin, my dear students. Now I am giving double pesh over the sin. Then you have to pronounce now this one sin dui pesh sun, sin dui pesh sun. Then my dear students, shin, you know that this one is Shin. This alphabet is called Shin. Shin has 3 drops or nukta. Now I am giving double pesh over the Shin. Now you have to pronounce this one Shin dui pesh shun, Shin dui pesh shun. Then my dear students, here this one is Sod. Now I am giving double pesh over the Sod. You have to pronounce this one Sod. Now you have to pronounce this one Sod dui pesh sun, Sod dui pesh sun. Then my dear students, you know that this one is Dod. Dod. Now I am giving double pesh over the Dod. Now we have to pronounce this one Dod dui pesh dun, Dod dui pesh dun. Now my dear students, you know that this one is To, To, To. Now I am giving double pesh over the To. Now we have to pronounce this one To dui pesh tun, To dui pesh tun. Now this one is The. You have to pronounce this one very softly. Now I am giving double pesh over the The. Now we have to pronounce, my dear students, this one The dui pesh zun, The dui pesh zun. Now this one is, my dear students, you know that Ain. Now I am giving double pesh over the Ain. And now you have to pronounce this one Ain dui pesh un, Ain dui pesh un. You have to pronounce Ain from the middle of the throat. Ain dui pesh un. Now my dear student, this one is Goin, not Gain. Now I am giving double pesh over the Goin. And now you have to pronounce this one Goin dui pesh run, Goin dui pesh run, gun, not Gain. You have to pronounce this one is Goin, Goin. This one is Fa, Fa. My dear student, now I am giving double pesh over the Fa. Now we have to pronounce this one Fa dui pesh fun, Fa dui pesh fun. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned Tanween with double pesh from za to fa. And my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, look at the board again. Today is our SW number 11, and you will make SW at your home from za to fa. That means from za dui pesh zun to fa dui pesh fun. My dear students, keep practice at home. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.